Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about how to make this simple attractive website design. Now you can see this website is looking beautiful and the navigation is working smoothly. Here you can see one glowing button and some social media icons with glowing effect. Let's start the code. These image links are in the video description. Let's open our code editor. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is Apple Shop website. Inside the body, we want a section and inside this navigation tag. Inside the nav we want an image tag and this will be logo image. Next we want to create unordered list and inside this list item anchor tag and this will be hash. Inside this we want to type home. Copy this line and paste it 2 times. We want to change this about and last one is contact. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the logo. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing is border box and font family is sans serif. Next we want to style our nav. Inside this display flex, justify content space between, align item center and width is 100%. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the nav bar is on the top. Let's start to style our logo. Nav, image, inside this margin 10 pixel. Refresh. Now you can see the logo got some space. Next we want to style UL. Inside this display flex, justify content space around, align item center, list style is none. Save the file, refresh. We want to style this text, so let's create UL LIA. Inside this display inline block, position is relative and margin auto 50 pixel and padding is 5 pixel. Text decoration will be none. Font size is 20 pixel and font color is black. Refresh. Now the text are looking good. Let's start to create unordered list LIA after. Inside this content display will be inline block and position is absolute, right 100% and top is also 100%. Transition is 0.5 second. We want a background color that will be hash E2042FFF and box shadow 1 pixel, 10 pixel and copy this color and paste it 1 time. Next we want to create unordered list LIA over after. Inside this right will be 0 and height 20%, width 100%, and border radius will be 20 pixel. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the smooth hover effect is working. Let's create div with class name content. Inside this, create another div with class name about. H2 span, and we want to type apple. Next, break tag, and we want to type the attractive fruit. Next, create a paragraph tag, and inside this lorem and press the tab. Next, add a break tag, anchor tag, and this will be hash. Inside this we want to type learn more. Outside this paragraph we want to create another div with class name icons. Inside this, span image tag, and this image will be Facebook image. Copy this line and paste it 2 times. And the second one is Instagram, third one is Twitter. Next, we want to create another div with class name apple. Inside this, image tag, and this image will be apple image. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the contents are visible. Let's start to style our class content. Inside this, display flex, justify content space around, and align item is center. Refresh. The website's layout is looking nice. Next, we want to style class about. Inside this, margin auto 50 pixel, and cursor will be pointer. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see some space. Let's style our class apple. Inside this, padding 50 pixel and 20 pixel. Refresh. The image is got some space. Next, we want to style our class about H2. Inside this, font size will be 40 pixel, font weight is bold, and font family is cursive. Refresh. Now you can see the text is looking nice. Next, we want to style class about H2 span. Inside this, font size will be 60 pixel, font family is cursive, and font color is, copy this background color and paste it 1 time. Refresh. Now you can see the text is looking better. Let's start to style class about paragraph. Inside this, font size will be 18 pixel, font weight is 600, and padding is 10 pixel. Save the file, refresh the page. Now you can see the paragraph is looking good. Next, we want to style class about paragraph A. Inside this, display inline block, position is relative, margin 20 pixel and padding 5 pixel and 20 pixel. Left will be 65% and text decoration is none and font color is, copy this color and paste it. Next we want a transition that will be 0.5 second, border 2 pixel solid, copy this color and paste it. We want a border radius that will be 20 pixel. Save the file, refresh. The button is looking nice. Let's create class about paragraph A hover. Inside this, font color is white and background color is, copy this color and paste it. We want a box shadow that will be 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 40 pixel and the color is background color. Save the file, refresh. The glowing effect is working nice. Let's start to style class icons span. Inside this, display inline flex, justify content center, align item center, position is relative and margin 20 pixel, height 50 pixel and width is also 50 pixel, transition 0.5 second, background color is the default color and the border radius will be 50%. Save the file, refresh. The social media icons are looking good. Let's start to create class icons span hover. Inside this, transform translate y that will be -10 pixel and we want that box shadow that will be 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 40 pixel and the color is default color. Save the file, refresh. The glowing effect is working. The hover effects are working smoothly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.